click the bell icon to never miss any update.
Everest Masala is one of India's largest spice brand, offering around 45 different spice variants. Indian household kitchens without a shelf having this Everest Masala stacked in it is a very rare scenario. Now there are around 40 blended masalas produced under the brand name Everest and exported to countries worldwide. It is appreciated not only by Indians but also appreciated worldwide and has been emerging as a popular brand in the UK, US, Africa, Australia, Singapore, and many more since its inception. Everest Masala came into existence in the year 1981 in Mumbai, Maharashtra through the seamless efforts of its founder, Vadilal Shah. The Everest story of spices blended in a 200 square feet shop where Vadilal Shah realized that besides the existence of 14 languages and over 200 dialects, India is home to a number of different taste buds. With every 100 kilometers, the flavor gets a different twist, and that Indian cuisine is an epic tale well garnished with spices. While officially the first factory under the brand name Everest was said to be set up in 1981, the brand got registered itself much before, and 2 years later, in 1968, rolled out the first product from the company, Kesari Milk Masala, in the market, followed by Garam Masala and Tea Masala. Slowly the company began to gain momentum, and as time passed, Everest began to be stocked in more than 4 lakh outlets across 1,000 small towns and cities across the nation. Keeping purity, consistency in quality along with fragrance and taste as brand's USP, Everest became the first brand in the category to explore television as a medium for advertising. Identifying the key aspect of color in advertising masalas, Everest made television its primary mode of communication during 2002 onwards, followed by print and playing jingles on the radio. The unique selling proposition of Everest has been the distinct pan-Indian taste it brings to the table and the nostalgia stuck with "Maa ke haathon ka swad." The campaign caught the attention of many, as a result of which, within 2 years in 2005, Everest acquired 30% of the total stake of the branded spices market in India. The products were endorsed by renowned celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan, which made marketing for the products much easier.